The first thing I noticed about these dry erase marker sets is how super convenient the design is. So each marker has an integrated magnet just right here on the end. And it has a built-in eraser, which if you've ever spent time because you're like, where did my eraser go? This is an honest game changer. So these, they stay right on your magnetic board. So let's take a look here, just like that. So super easy, can't misplace them, leave them perfectly organized where you need them. These were gifted to me to share with you. And again, one of the most important things that I love is it's not recommended for glass or your acrylic boards, as that's not going to hold to the surface. So they're intentionally designed for the dry erase boards like the melamine or the porcelain or the painted steel. And right on the surface, the plastic tip gives you that incredible smooth hold. And then to watch and see what we can do, the nice precise line that you can see there. Super smooth, super precise. This is the end, so you can see exactly the end, the tip for as you write. The ink uses a premium low order formula, which makes them perfect for classrooms, offices, rooms, so you don't have those chemical fumes. And then when you are ready to clean the board, you've got your eraser already on the other side. And a lot of times you can see I have stains from other markers on here, but this one cleans just right up, as you can see, as I go through. So super easy. So you get, again, the classic pack of classic colors, all of the shades of the rainbow that you need for your dry markers. So if you're setting up, a homeschool station or your family's weekly calendar, or you're managing different projects and responsibilities, you can keep them all cluttered free and hanging organized or ready to go. So you've got everything in just one place. Hope this was helpful, and we'll see you next time.